Big mistake that can be made, and which a lot of young, well, all actors make, is they feel they have to be very loud. And it's trying to get through to them that projection is not about volume, it's about connection with the text, of really making the text into living language, so that the words are clear, so that they have a need for the words, and then it will move through space. You have to maintain the energy. The energy is important, but not being very, very loud. So it's trying to ensure that the actors are aware of the vocal range that they have and making sure they use it, of rooting the character, finding the physicality of the male energy and making sure that their voices are really rooted, rather than going into what can happen, the sort of upper chest, rather hysterical female sound. I can say that because I'm a woman. But, it is making sure, as I said, that everything is rooted, is grounded, that the gesture is more masculine, is more controlled. So, as I said, they're releasing a slightly male energy rather than a very feminine. That's what you're trying to do with Shakespeare text. Through the verse form, not staying at the technique, finding that technique, and then making it your own. So, as I say, it becomes living language, three-dimensional human beings communicating through the text, but respecting the verse form.